In this video from Device Doctor, we test two photo printers side by side. We start the Epson L8050 and the Epson L18050 at the same time to see which one is faster and has better quality. If you are looking for a good photo printer, make sure to watch this video till the end.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
All right, it's time to begin the real test. We're printing the same photo on 4x6-inch glossy paper using both printers, side by side and at the exact same time over Wi-Fi. This will show us not only which printer is faster, but also which one produces the sharpest and most beautiful photo. Let's see which one comes out on top. The Epson L8050 and L18050, two exceptional photo printers designed for stunning image quality. The L8050 is perfect for enthusiasts printing A4 photos, delivering vibrant colors and sharp details. For professionals needing larger A3+ prints, the L18050 offers superior clarity and depth, ideal for photographers and designers. Both models feature 6-color dye-based inks and wireless connectivity, ensuring seamless, high-quality photo printing for every need. The speed test is done. With just a 5-second difference, the Epson L8050 wins. The photo quality of both printers is very similar. Both deliver great results. The only difference is that the Epson L8050 has slightly higher color contrast.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Now we're testing plain A4 paper printing. Let's see which printer wins this round. Both printers did a great job, but now it's your turn. Which one impressed you more, the faster L8050 or the larger format L18050? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool tech battles only on Device Doctor. And the Epson L8050 takes the win again, this time with just a half-second lead.